Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So today's lesson in agricultural science, we are going to be looking at livestock parasites. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on livestock parasites. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay. Livestock parasites refer to organisms such as worms, insects, and microorganisms that can infect or infest farm animals like cattle, sheep, goats, and poultry. These parasites can cause health problems in livestock, leading to reduced productivity, weight loss, and other negative effects. Okay? Livestock parasites are organisms that live on or inside farm animals, causing harm and reducing their productivity. These parasites can have significant impact on the health and well-being of livestock, as well as economic implications for farmers. Do we understand? Livestock parasites are tiny creatures that can make farm animals sick. And these parasites can be a big problem for farmers and the animals they care for. Okay? Good. There are two main forms of parasites. Two main forms of parasites. The internal parasites. These are parasites that live inside the animal's body, like worms in the stomach or lungs. They can make animals weak and sick. So the internal parasites include worms, such as roundworms, tapeworms, which reside inside the digestive or respiratory system of the livestock. They can cause weight loss and reduce feed efficiently. It will make animals weak and sick. Okay, do we understand? The internal parasites are inside the animal. Some parasites live inside the animal's body, like worms in their stomach or lungs. And these parasites can make the animals weak and sick. Do we understand that? Good. External parasites. These parasites live on the animal's skin, such as ticks and lice. They can cause skin issues and make animals uncomfortable. External parasites. Okay? These parasites live on the surface of the animal's body. Common examples are ticks and lice. They can lead to skin irritations, reduced milk or meat production, and transmit diseases. Okay? So the external parasites are outside the animal. Parasites that live on the animal's skin. They can cause skin problems and make animals uncomfortable. So these are the two main forms of parasites: internal parasites and external parasites. Okay? Do we understand that? Good. Control of livestock parasites. Control of livestock parasites refers to the methods used to manage and reduce the impact of tiny creatures that can make farm animals sick. Okay? How to prevent or treat or minimize the harm caused by these parasites to ensure the health and well-being of the livestock. Do we understand? Deworming. Regular deworming with appropriate medications is essential to control internal parasites. The choice of dewormers should be based on the specific parasites present and the animal's age and condition. Good management practices. Proper animal husbandry practices, such as maintaining clean and dry living conditions, can help reduce the risk of parasitic infestations. Rotational grazing. Rotating pastures can reduce parasite loads by breaking the life cycle of some parasites and preventing overgrazing in specific areas. Integrated pest management. Implementing IPM strategies involves a combination of methods to control external parasites, such as using chemical treatments, biological control agents, and physical barriers. Selective breeding. Some livestock breeds may exhibit natural resistance to certain parasites, so selective breeding can be used to develop more resistant animal lines. Okay? Control of livestock parasites. To keep animals healthy and happy, we have to do this. Deworming, good management practices, rotational grazing, integrated pest management, selective breeding. To keep animals free from parasites. We can give animals medicine to get rid of the parasites inside their body or their skins. Keeping the animal's home clean and dry helps prevent parasites from coming back. Okay, clean living. Moving animals around. Sometimes moving animals to different places to eat can help reduce parasites. You can use special chemicals to kill parasites, especially those on the skin. The use of chemicals. Or choosing strong animals. Some animals are naturally better at fighting off parasites. Farmers can choose these animals for breeding. Okay? So these methods are effective in controlling livestock parasites. Okay? Using this method is essential for maintaining the health and productivity of animals. Do we understand? So today's lesson on livestock parasites, we understood it, right? We said livestock parasites are tiny organisms that can harm farm animals, affect their health and productivity, right? Good. We also looked at forms of parasites, right? We said there are two main forms, the internal parasites and the external parasites. We said the internal parasites, they live inside the animals and it includes worms, right? This can lead to health issues. Then we talked about the external parasites. They are found on the animal skin and it can cause skin problems and discomfort. We said all that, right? Then we also looked at control of livestock parasites, methods to manage and prevent parasites. We said deworming, using medicine to treat internal parasites. Cleanliness, maintaining clean and dry living conditions. Changing pastures, rotating animals' grazing area, right? Chemical, using specific products to kill external parasites. We said all that. Selecting strong animals, breeding animals with natural resistance to parasites. So we understood today's lesson on livestock parasites, right? Okay, good. So next, we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignments, right? Okay, that is good.